Hello, today we continue with Flying with Wisdom for Zone 3 in your home. So what is Zone 3? Zone 1, as you know already, is the entryway, and Zone 2 is the kitchen. Zone 4 is the master bedroom, master bathroom, and master closet, and Zone 5 is the living room or living room dining room. So Zone 3 is the main bathroom and one other room. Any other room in your house. It could be a guest room, it could be the laundry room, it could be a young child's room, it could be a sunroom, it could be a craft room, it could be a loft, it could be an office, it could be the garage, it could be the basement, it could be the attic. Any other room that's not covered in the other 4 zones is handled in Zone 3. So Zone 3 is the main bathroom. That's not the master bathroom. That's not the powder room. It's the main bathroom and one other room. So you'd start by going to the main bathroom. If this is the beginning of the FlyLady system for you, you're going to declutter the main bathroom. And so all you'll be doing is working in the main bathroom, decluttering. Once you have decluttered the main bathroom, then you will deep clean for 10 minutes in the main bathroom. And that's all you would do the first day in your zone once that bathroom is decluttered. You would clean for 10 minutes. So that would be like clean the tub, straighten out this under the sink. Maybe you want to clean the baseboards, clean the window, little things that don't take very much time. Maybe put the rugs in the wash, something like that. So less than 10 minutes or so. That's what you'd be doing for one day of the zone. The other days of the zone, you will begin working on an other room. And you would start with the beginning, decluttering. And once you've gotten it decluttered over the week, maybe it'll take you till the next month to finish decluttering that room, and that's okay. Then you're going to start deep cleaning that room. But if you have more than one other room, let's say you have a child's room, a laundry room, and an office, you would start on your main bathroom each week once you've gotten it decluttered and do 10 minutes of deep clean. And then for the other 3 of your 4 days that we're working that week in the home, you're going to pick a room, let's say the child's room, and you will declutter the child's room for 3 other days. If you get it decluttered during that time, then you're going to start a deep clean in that room. If you don't get it decluttered, then you're going to continue that next month. I know that sounds crazy to you. I do, but it's not. It works because you're also doing your 3 clutter checks a day to make sure there is no new clutter. We're not worried about the old clutter, new clutter. So every room you've decluttered is going to be looked at, especially with a sharp eye, because those rooms are the most vulnerable. Those places are the most vulnerable. So you're going to be doing your 3 clutter checks a day to make sure they're not getting new clutter. And you're going to be doing the basic weekly plan, the weekly home blessing hour, to make sure that it's blessed enough. It's enough. A little bit of vacuuming, a little bit of dusting. Okay? So once you get that room decluttered, in this example, you're going to go to the next room, the laundry room, and you're going to do the main bathroom and the laundry room until it's decluttered. And then when that's decluttered, the next month, you're going to go to the main bathroom and the office. And that's how you would get these things decluttered. Now, once you're done, then you're going to be doing the main bathroom and one other room deep clean. So let's say we took the main bathroom and we did 10 minutes of deep clean in there because it's decluttered. We've kept it decluttered and it's so nice. It's getting nicer and nicer every time we go in there. And now we're going to deep clean the child's room. So in this case, you would give it a good vacuum under everything. There's no clutter. Every night the toys are put away. 3 times a day the clutter is put away in that room. So there's no clutter. So you're going to deep clean it. Maybe you're going to polish the furniture, clean the window, clean the baseboards. You know, really get it nice and clean. And then it's in the cycle. It's going to be in the cycle. And in the meantime, it's just going to have the basic weekly plan done to it, the weekly home blessing hour. And the same for the office and the same for the laundry room. Your house is going to sparkle. Now, once your little 4-year-old is like 6 years old or 7 years old, they can help deep clean their room. Really deep clean it. When they're 4, they can help. When they're 7, they can really do it. And when they're 9, they should have it down pat. Okay? All right, so that's what we do for the Zone 3, the main bathroom, and one other room. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to click on the link to see how Nikki of Inspired by Nikki interprets this in Flying with Grace. I know you'll enjoy it. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.